Hello, my beautiful friends. Miss Gail is here with her buddy Jack. Hi, Jack. And today, oh, he's not very happy because today we're going to read a book about a cat. I think Jack doesn't want to hear a book about a cat. But this is the cat that most of you know and love. It's Pete the cat. Jack, look, it's a cat. I don't think he cares. Pete the cat and his magic sunglasses. Wow. By Kimberly and James Dean. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This is the spine of the book. This is the title of the book. Pete the cat and his magic sunglasses. What color are his sunglasses? That's right, they're blue. Oh, and look at this turtle just chilling there. Oh no. On the back of the book, also glasses, but look, they're broken. I wonder what happened. This is inside the book. I think Pete the cat likes skateboarding. And what kind of page is this? That's right, this is a title page. It has a title, author, illustrator, and a publisher, and dedication page. For my mom and dad, thank you for always being there and believing in me. And for Dorsey and Helen, you're an example to me of what it means to be a good mom and dad. I am blessed to have you in my life. Oh, look, it says here, blue cat is crying in the rain. Anyway. Pete the cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. It looks kind of sad. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came a grumpy toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. Can you show me a frown? Oh, look at your frowns. I like it better when you smile. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Do you think Pete the cat is going to put the glasses on and see things in a new way? I don't know, let's find out. Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. Right on! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Just feeling happy. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" What do you think is going on with Squirrel? "I am so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." He's frowning too. He's not happy. Do you think Pete is going to let him wear his glasses? Let's find out. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Do you think the squirrel's gonna put sunglasses on and see everything in a new way? Let's find out. Squirrel put on cool blue magic sunglasses and looked around. Awesome! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to the squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. What's wrong, Turtle? Pete asked. What do you think is wrong with Turtle? I am so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am all upside down today. Look at him. He's upside down on his shelf. What do you think Pete is going to do? I think so too. Pete said, try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way. Do you think Turtle's going to put sunglasses on? Turtle put on a cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Far out! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Very good, friends. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Do you think Alligator was happy? Alligator did not look happy. What's wrong, Alligator? Pete asked. I am so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today. I would be sad too if nobody wants to play with me. Pete said, try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way. I think the crocodile's gonna try the glasses. Oh, Alligator. Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Rocking! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. What a wonderful magic sunglasses. Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh. Pete did not know what to do without those sunglasses. What do you think Pete is going to do? I don't know either. Jack, what do you think? Jack doesn't know either. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise old owl said, Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day. What wise words. Pete looked around without his sunglasses. What do you think is going to happen? Too cool! The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. We are feeling all right. Look, even without the sunglasses, I think the magic was with them all along. Here's Pete the cat. Well, I don't think Jack cared much about this book because it's about a cat. But I loved it, and I know you did too. Until next time, my friends, please like and subscribe my page. Bye.